How much water is it recommended to drink in a day for men? Well, all depends, right? The temperature, the climate, region. I mean, any individual, I guess, but it's recommended that men take 3.7 liters of water in a day. I don't think I drink that much water in a day. I plan to finish this one today, though. And I got my coconut water as well.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's super good.
Yeah.
Hey,
How are you?
good yourself?
Chicken.
I'm back again.
Yeah. Beef?
Yeah, fried.
Right, okay. Give me 2 minutes.
No worries.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's do this. MomoBros. MomoBros dumplings. Oh, what? I'm sorry. I just blocked the road, boy. Okay. All right. Man, it tastes good, honestly. Oh. Wow, man. This thing's just dropping. Nice. You know, food drop everywhere, so. What's your favorite dumpling? Is it steamed, fried, or whatever? I've not tried too many dumplings, honestly, but this one hits the spot. Hits the spot, basically. Honestly. I think I had it yesterday. And I had it today. Oh no, I had it the day before yesterday. Yeah.
I'm a fun guy.